Hi there, this examples deals with the JSON Placeholder API. We have created a simple CRUD example based on Vuetify. We have a drawer, a navigation bar, some headings, and paragraphs. We will use get, put, post and delete to demonstrate the CRUD functionality. The JSON Placeholder API generates fake data that one can use. It has various endpoints that deal with users, comments, posts, albums, photos, and to-do entries. For our example, we look at creating, reading, updating and deleting records. Whilst the information will not be persisted, we are just showing how we can use the Axios library with BananoVuetifyAD3. We have opted for the user's endpoint. This lists all users stored in that endpoint. We are able to search, add, edit, and delete a user. Theoretically anyway. With the filter, we are able to show only the columns we need on the table. Let's show how we can create a new record. To update an existing record, we edit it, make the updates and then click Save. To delete, we click the Delete button for that record, we select Yes to confirm the process. For our source code, we have created a component root and called it View Users. This code creates the dynamic message box. To load users to the table, we execute an Axios call to get data from the endpoint. The same applies for the user we want to read details for. The calls we make are async, as we want to wait until the records are obtained or the endpoint is fully executed. This code creates the table that lists our users. This table has inline editing functionality. Remember, the data is not really persisted here, so that's why the changes are just fictitious. In real-world situations, one would use the same methodology for a similar CRUD database backend. When we click on the dialog, the details of the user are obtained and then depending on the action, an add is executed or an update done. We have also added some validation that can be turned on or off. All details are required in this case. The data table commands are prefixed with DT users, this makes it easy to trace the errors. Each delete action should be confirmed also. You will note that each delete is linked to the name of the person you want to delete. This helps with more clarity to the end user of the action to undertake. This section deals with rules to be added in each input control.